I've searched the internet and I found this, a fan and a light bulb at the same time. Well, it's a big one. It's a big one. Very nice. Okay, so the light itself is cold, really cold, and it's making a little bit of noise. The timer, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, and I guess it's a wind. Okay, it's the one is straight. Oh yeah, I can feel the difference. That's cool. What is that? That's a speed increase and decrease. Okay, that's the maximum. It is windy. That's cool. And I guess this is a different light. Oh yeah, we can dim nicely. That's cool.